In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add support and resistance levels with break using TradingView Pro. Support and resistance levels are some of the most important concepts in technical analysis. Support marks areas on the chart where price has historically had a hard time moving lower, while resistance marks areas where price struggles to move higher. When price breaks through these levels, it can often signal the beginning of a new move or trend. So having an indicator that automatically plots these levels and highlights breaks can save you a lot of time and help you spot opportunities more quickly. Let's walk through how to add this indicator to your TradingView chart step by step. First, open up your TradingView chart for any asset you want to analyze. This can be a stock, a cryptocurrency, a forex pair. It doesn't matter. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually located in the upper toolbar above the chart area. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the indicators and strategies window, where you can search for any indicator available on TradingView. When the indicator window appears, make sure you're on the main search tab at the top. Sometimes TradingView will remember a different tab, so just glance up and check that you're on the standard search section. In the search bar inside this window, start typing support and resistance levels with breaks. As you type, TradingView will filter the list of indicators in real time. You should now see an indicator with that name or very close to it appear in the results list. This is the tool that will automatically draw key support and resistance areas on your chart and visually mark when price breaks through them. Once you've located it, click on the indicator name once. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart. You'll notice new horizontal levels appear, usually color-coded to differentiate support from resistance, along with visual cues when those levels are broken. You can fine-tune how it looks and behaves by hovering over the indicator's name at the top left of your chart and opening its settings. From there, you can adjust things like colors, line styles, or sensitivity, so it matches your personal trading style. If you're interested in unlocking more features and making the most out of this tool, check out the affiliate link for TradingView Pro in the video description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to more advanced capabilities and layouts while you're working with support and resistance levels with breaks.